Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live in Orange County, California, with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And let's step right in there. This poster wanted to know how to make the background all white. So basically, first thing you want to look at is that there's yellow, and then there's an off-white, and then there's pure white on the edges here. So I'm going to suppose that we want the pure white. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that the contrast is pretty high in this photo. Otherwise, even color changing is going to not work so well. If I do like a if I try to use the magic tool, you're going to see that it doesn't grab everything. So you don't really want to use the magic tool in this case. So what we want to do in this case is do a color change. We go to enhance, first we do contrast, lighting, brightness, contrast. I'm going to bring the contrast up a little bit higher, and you're going to see, look at the area right here between the gray and the white. You're going to lose some of the gray and make the letters darker, and that will help with the color change. You may not have to do this, but I like to do that to make sure that when I do a color change, it really works. It takes. Go to Enhance, go to Color, and go to Replace Color right here. And basically what we want to do is we want to add white to this yellow. So we'll hit the plus color. Now we're going to choose the yellow, and you can see that it put it up in here. What color do you want it to be? You come down here to Result, and you change that to white, pure white. And for some reason, it's mixing the yellow and the white, and it turns into gray. So all we have to do is take the lightness and bring the lightness all the way up until that yellow disappears. And it's right there. That's all there is to it. This is another quick tips. Rich Tamao saying over and out. Bye.